Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. Okay, we went with the black and the camel. We did it last week. We're doing it again. I got this actually from an inspirational pic on Pinterest, and I really like the fit. So I am wearing this cropped camo. Sleeves were chopped, and it was cropped here. I had plenty. I had about maybe 4 or 5 of them, and all of them are different styles. So crop this. I'm wearing this tank. I think it's Old Navy. Most of the tops I get are Old Navy. This skirt, A-line skirt with 1, 2, 3 tiers, lightweight, and yeah, you can wear black in the springtime. I am wearing these boots, and with the holes here, ankle boots. Chelsea, I guess you can call them that. Loving those. Jewelry, I have a little Prada bolo. These little, not so little. These earrings here, I had them for a long time. Hammered like earrings. My little Starburst necklace, which I meant to change. I've worn it quite a while. This bangle, my handy dandy watch, bracelets, and this ring. I've had this for a very long time, this mood ring here, and these are from Ana Luisa. That's all I have on this finger. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is it for a Monday. Brand new week starting out. Kids already here outside the door on their laptops. And I'm beginning my day. I hope you have a great one. A little tired this morning, but busy weekend. So, hope you come back on tomorrow to check me out. And the next, and the next, and the next day. But we'll take one day at a time so that you can see what I'm wearing. Outfit of the day. It's what school teacher wears. And that's me. So, have a great day, and I'll see you on tomorrow. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. I am wearing this blazer. Try to bring you over here. See what the light's like over here. This blazer. And I showed you it a couple of months ago. I always was looking for a pinstripe. Still haven't found the men's pinstripe blazer that I need, or suit coat that I want from the men's department, but this is second best. And I like this, got this from the women's department, of course, the style. It has this little belt here, as you can see. It's a double-breasted. And it has this little loop that you can tie. You can make it tighter or what have you. Has shoulder pads. It is a vintage piece. I would say this is the late, maybe the 90s, maybe. Don't know. But I love vintage clothing. I'm wearing these trousers. These trousers are from the men's department. Love them. They have a cuff in them. Fit really good. Gray. The boots or the shoes are, of course, Zara. I've seen these many times before. I wear them a lot. Yeah, comfortable height too. Accessories. As you can see, I have this little rose. I was hoping I had a gray one, but I didn't. But that's okay. That's okay. This sunburst little pendant. I don't even remember where I got this from. It could have been gifted with PR or whatever. I don't know. I don't remember where I got it from. These little drop earrings here. My silver bracelets and tennis bracelet is on there too, right there. I'm wearing this ring I bought years ago, this pearl ring. On this, now this, check this out guys. This is a button. If you checked out my last haul, DIY accessories, this is a button. Clipped off the little hole on the other side where the thread goes through. Clipped it off with the pliers. Put some glue on the bad boy. I had an old ring, tarnished old ring, that had a flat base, so I just glued it on top. And that's that. Loving that. This animal print bracelet, had it for years, thrifted it as well. My handy dandy watch. And yeah guys, this is it. This is it for a Tuesday. Tuesday's fit. From the top to the bottom and all in between. You know how it goes. So, today's Tuesday. We're second day in the week. All's going well. And I hope yours is going well too. But I would like for you to come back. Come back for another episode of School Days. Outfit of the day. What I wear as a school teacher. Take care guys. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day. What I'm wearing as a school teacher. Today I decided to go lax. Still stylish, but lax. Relaxed. I am wearing this top. You have seen this before. It is sequin. Yes, the sequin video is coming up soon. I have to remember to put this in because I didn't put this included with the rest of them that I'm going to show. But yeah, I love this animal print sheer blouse with the sequin collar. I loved it. Details on the sleeve ends, just beautiful. Underneath I have this tank top, Old Navy. Most of my tanks are from Old Navy. I have this cargo skirt I thrifted about sometime last year. I think it was during the spring of last year. Love the pockets on the side. I've never seen a jean skirt made out of a cargo with the cargo pockets, but loving that. Pencil maxi. The shoes, FSJ. Do not look past. I purchased these shoes. I did not thrift these. I purchased these. Love them. Heel is a nice size heel. It is an open toe little booty. I usually don't wear open toes, but things are changing up now. The weather is warming, and I thought it would look very appropriate. Oh, the skirt does have a split, as you can see in the back. The jewelry. I am wearing these earrings here. I made them. My video on DIY accessories. These are some earrings that I made. They're only buttons. 2 buttons, a black flat button and another gold button. I found a bag of gold buttons at the thrift store, just a bag full of them, all different designs, and saw a YouTube video on how to make them. So yeah, it matches up with the fit. I'm wearing my bracelets on this arm, this bracelet, my watch, these bracelets rather, and yeah guys, makeup pretty good, it's okay, and that is it. This is a Wednesday. Short day today. Usually Wednesdays are. And yeah, we made it halfway through the week, guys. Halfway through the week. But I hope you are looking fabulous today. I hope you are. And I definitely hope you come back on tomorrow so you can see what I'm rocking for Thursday. So, this is it. Outfit of the day. What I wear as a school teacher. Have a wonderful day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. Today I am rocking this denim top. You've seen this before, I've worn it many times. It has this mock funnel collar. It is really a jacket, but I'm wearing it as a shirt. And I like the shape of it. The cut, the style, everything. The large pockets up here. I'm wearing these trousers. These are from the women's department. I usually get mine from either the men's, or if I can find the pair that cuts the way from the women's department, that cuts the way that the men's do, I'll get them. And these were pretty good. I've had these for years. Can't think of the name of the brand, but I'll put it up on the screen. As far as accessories, I am wearing this big, huge heart, because I do have a big heart. This heart outfit got from inspiration off of Pinterest. You'll see it in our Remake the Look for this month. Little earrings. Have this ring, very simple today, guys. And this dome ring on this finger. My watch, no bracelets. But of course I got the bracelets over here. I also am wearing this Chanel pen. I showed you guys this in my DIY accessory video. And for the shoes, it is these. These are very old. I haven't worn them in a while, but I used to wear them all the time. You've seen these many times before. I need a new pair because they're starting to wear a little bit. And I have a pair that I found, but I'm trying to get them all broken in and comfortable like these, because I've worn these to death. But yeah, sorry about that. The kids are sitting outside getting ready to come in, and they're supposed to be on their laptops and not talking. But anyway, yeah, so this is the fit, guys. Today is Thursday. Boy, the week went by really fast, to me anyway. From the top to the bottom. And of course, all in between. So yeah, guys, that is it for today. I hope your week has been going well. If it hasn't, it will. Things will get better. They always do. And yeah, I'm looking forward to you coming back for tomorrow. Friday, last day, for another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day, what I wear as a school teacher. Take care. Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. Guys, I've had this duster, this lace duster for like years. And I am just now wearing it for the first time. Now, I love the detail. It is a thicker lace than the sheer thin lace, but it is very appropriate for the classroom and the air conditioner, so I stay pretty cool at the same time, but warm enough. I don't have to get too cold if I were to wear the regular sheer. But anyway, you know I like sheer. I'm wearing this little bodysuit. It's a bodysuit with stripes in it. It is short sleeved. I am wearing these jeans. You've seen these jeans many times before. I've worn them multiple times. Love them. Pockets, side and in the back. It has this permanent crease in the middle. I like this, the wideness of the belt on the legs. Shoes, I am wearing these boots from Zara, which I have been wearing quite often. Love the boots. And the accessories, I am wearing this pearl cross here, or rosary, like cross beads. My silver bracelets underneath here. My handy dandy watch, not much today. These earrings, another pair I made from buttons. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Makeup is pretty good. This is it, guys, from the top to the bottom. And of course, all in between. So yeah, this is Friday. We've made it through the week, guys. And I hope every day you step out of the house representing you, looking good, feeling good, in spite of what the week brought your way. So, thank you so much for joining me this week. I enjoyed doing school days. Although they don't get that many views, I love them. I will continue to do school days as long as I am teaching. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys later.
It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew